In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset mobile network on Google Pixel. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open settings on your Google Pixel, tap on and swipe up for system, tap on system and swipe up again, and here is last option is reset options. So tap on, and here is lots of resetting options. So I'm going to reset mobile network, so tap on reset mobile network. And if you use eSIM, then here is another options for erase eSIM. So we are not going to erase eSIMs, we are just resetting mobile network. So for resetting mobile network, tap on reset settings, and it required your pattern lock or passcode, then give it, then tap on reset network, and this network will be resetted. So that's how you can reset mobile network on Google Pixel. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.